So in this video we will be implementing interstitial ads. So for that, first we will create a interstitial ad. Server.ads dot new interstitial, and it will all take will take a unit ID, add unit ID. So I'm using test IDs. I'm telling you again, you can use your own ad ID of interstitial. Okay, so we have successfully created the interstitial ad, and I want to tell you one more thing, that these, when you create the ad, new banner or new interstitial, these functions you should call only once. You not think like oh, I want to you call I want to see a new ad on another screen, so I will make a new ad again. No, 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 no. That's one of the biggest worst mistakes. It may crash your app, because and it also signals Google that you are creating a ad again for money. You can say, like, just think that it's not a good practice. Okay, just call them once, new banner and new interstitial. So we have successfully created the ads, um, new interstitial ad. So I want to make a screen for which I am showing the ad. So you can see in this app, the banner is shown on the bottom. So we cannot show all the ads in one screen on the this screen. We need to we need different screens, because it looks messy if we just implement banner ads, interstitial ad, and reward video ads all at once. So I am making a new screen. So let me make a screen for that. So what will be the name of screen I will put? Let me think. Okay, I will put class simple UI, because a simple app. I'm making simple UI screen and giving a pass right now. So let me make what we will do the screen. So firstly we need to tell that I have screen manager, and the screen I'm using, which is simple UI. Okay, that's it. So now I am making the simple UI. Well, UI, and the name of screen is, I will call it UI, and this screen consists of some buttons. So we are making a screen, the home screen, okay, which have different types of ad buttons. Like I'm I'm making a button for interstitial, and then when we click on it, a new screen appears, and then it shows the ad. Okay, so I'm making a raise button. The raise button text should be, if you hear noises, I'm sorry for that, but I am not a professional YouTube. It's my first video, and I am making this um, because there's not a content on the you can say web for on Kivy ads. Okay, and one video made from Eric Sandberg, which is for iPhone, and most people don't use iPhone, so that's why I created this video. I'm making this video, and I'm a bit nervous. I'm a bit nervous. That's why my English is also very bad this time. So we will making it on the middle of the screens, and the top will be, I'm assuming that whatever the code I'm writing you can understand that, because you are a Kivy developer and you are placing ads on Kivy because you know Kivy. Okay, so I'm not explaining these lines because I'm not gonna spoon feed everything. You are not kids. Okay, so I'm writing it. So what will this button do? This button will do a transition. First after to dot transition equals slide transition. We are changing screen. Okay, so slide transition direction equals to left, and app dot root dot current equals to, we need a screen. We will call that screen interstitial. So we need to create a screen interstitial. So we will be creating a screen called interstitial screen, interstitial ad screen. It is also screen as for now. So we will need to create the screen. Okay, interstitial screen. Now okay, I'm making a mistake. I just realized. And again, interstitial add green name. Just copy this. So I will create a label or a button. I will create a button. MD waste. Oh, I will not see the MD waste button, and it will be name. Name will be, sorry, name text. Text will be, what happens to my typing today? So click to see interstitial. And the percent I will just copy from this. Control C. And on release, I'm not gonna call in this screen again. On release, just showing the ad. So root dot ads. We'll make a function to show the ad. Okay. Def show, and it will simple app dot ads dot show banner, simple app dot ads dot show banner. Now show interstitial. Request interstitial. Here, show interstitial. Function will be called. Okay, so I'm just unreleased loop dot show. Function will be called. Okay, so this is done. Let me check if any errors occurs or not. Okay, interstitial ad screen button is here. And you click OK. So now we will click the show button and add. So now let me see. Okay, so this is our home screen and it is showing interstitial ad screen. So when I click on it, the interstitial ad screen is called, and you can see here in the Python logs, you can see what happens. New interstitial called. It means the interstitial ad is created in the memory for the first time. And when I click on this button, click to see interstitial, it will call the show interstitial function called. See, show interstitial function is called. So it means that the ads are shown, but I forget again to reload them. So let's reload them. So for that I will be going to this interstitial ad screen and override some functions like on pre-enter, and on pre-enter I will, while entering the screen, I will make sure that that I will request the ad, I will reload the ad. Okay, so this one simple app dot ads dot request ban interstitial. Okay, so I am requesting the interstitial on pre-entering the screen. Now on pre-leave. So now when the screen is leaved, the screen no, we don't need anything for the screen. We are showing that we are reloading it here. Okay, one second, I will explain you another time with very very good explanation. So what we'll do here is we create a function on pre-enter that overrides the screen's pre-enter function. So while we enter the screen, as you can see here, while we entering the screen, interstitial screen, the ad is loaded. Now the ad is loaded into the phone's memory. Interstitial, I always spell it wrong. Interstitial ad is loaded in memory, and when I click, it will show that ad that is loaded. And when I get back to the screen, oh, I don't have a back button to get back to the screen, so I simply close it. So when we back to the screen, when again we enter the screen, the ad is loaded again. And you can do also this thing which I am doing before on pre-leave. You again load an ad for convenience of the user and also for you. So we are loading the ad again. Loading ad. Reloading, sorry. Reloading term is great. Ad again. Okay. So that's it, I guess. Yeah, one more thing. I create another MD raised button. to show you one more thing. Control V, and this is a back button. Back. And top will be 0.8. On release, what will we do? It will make a transition, and it will make a transition from interstitial to UI this time. UI is our home screen. Okay, so now what will happen? We are now in the oh, it's on the okay, it's okay, just for the illustration here only. So oh, I did mistake here. I have to reduce it and I increase it. Okay, so ad is shown, can be show interstitial, and request interstitial also called. It is called loading the ad. Load ad is loaded in the memory before entering the screen, and when the user or any time you and function that shows the ad is shown, and when the ad is shown, just when the user gets back to the screen, it will all called again. Request banner called again. Okay, request interstitial called again. It simply means that the ad is loading again. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.